In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find from the freezer in Trader Joe's. We'll walk through the website together so you can quickly locate all the frozen options and understand how the page is organized. Start by heading to the Trader Joe's homepage in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the left-hand side panel or the main site navigation. That's where the product browsing begins. Find the section labeled Products and click it. This opens the central hub for everything Trader Joe's offers online. Inside Products, choose Food. This narrows the results to edible items and sets you up to find the frozen section efficiently. Under the food category, select from the freezer. This is the dedicated area for all things frozen and chilled so you don't have to hunt around the rest of the site. Once you're on the From the Freezer page, you'll see it organized into helpful subcategories. You'll typically find appetizers, which include bite-sized snacks and frozen starters that are great for gatherings or quick nibbles. You'll also see entrees and sides, a convenient place for ready-to-heat meals, pasta, rice dishes, and supporting sides that pair well with mains. Another section is fruit and vegetables, where you can browse frozen produce for smoothies, sautés, and meal prep. And finally, there's cool desserts, home to frozen treats like ice cream, novelties, and sweet finales to a meal. Use these subcategories to quickly zero in on what you want. If you're planning a party, appetizers is a great starting point. If you're prepping weeknight dinners, entrees and sides will save you time. For everyday staples, fruit and vegetables keeps it simple, and when you're craving something sweet, Cool Desserts has you covered. As you browse, product tiles usually show a photo, a name, and a short description, making it easy to scan. If you don't immediately see what you're after, scroll down to load more items within the same category. The site design may vary slightly by device. On smaller screens, that left-hand navigation might appear as a menu icon, but the path is the same. Products, then food, then from the freezer. A quick note, availability can vary by location and season. If a particular item catches your eye online, consider checking your local store for current stock. You can always use your browser's back button or the site's breadcrumb trail to jump back to food and switch categories without losing your place. And that's it. You've found from the freezer on the Trader Joe's website and know exactly how to navigate its categories for a faster, more focused shopping experience.